Hello, in today's video we're going to talk about that really exciting job that everybody loves and gets mega pumped up for, cleaning the caravan roof. Now we're not actually going to show you us cleaning the caravan roof because I believe that's been done quite a bit by a few other people and you might find it a little bit boring just to watch me clean the caravan roof. What we're going to do instead is give you some hints and tips about cleaning your caravan roof, and we're also going to talk about why is it important to keep your caravan roof clean and how does that protect the rest of your caravan. So you might be thinking, why is it important to keep my caravan roof clean? It's not a nice job, particularly if you're like me and you're not the biggest fan of heights. Well, the reason we need to keep the caravan roof clean is because if we've got a really dirty caravan roof, all of that dirt will come off the caravan, down the sides giving us black streaks, or down the back giving us black streaks, or down the front also giving us streaks and lots of dirt. For me, it's a little bit like cleaning your kitchen. If you decided to clean your kitchen floor and make it all nice and gleaming, and then decide that once it was job done, you would clean the worktops, that's not really going to work. Because all that's going to happen is all that dirt that's on top of your worktops is going to go on your nice gleaming floor. And it's the same with your caravan. So you want to get the caravan roof clean first, then get these sides clean to make sure it looks nice and pristine for long. So just in case you're wondering, for this job, since we're at the storage site, we've got a couple of sprays and we'll put links down below if you're interested in those, because it's great to bring to the storage yard, and a soft brush just to wash the top. One of the sprays has Phenixin diluted, and we'll put a link down below also for that, which is an affiliate link. And this one here just has some plain water in, just to give it a rinse once we've finished. Tips for keeping the caravan roof clean are: number one, make sure you tip your caravan slightly forward or slightly back. To do this, you will either lower or raise the jockey wheel, and what you will see is to check inside the caravan that it goes from being level to slightly forward or slightly back, and that will allow the water to drain off on the front or back of your van. Number two, make sure that you shut any roof lights to make sure that no water gets in while cleaning the caravan, like so. Number three, think about when you're cleaning your seals not to be too rough on them, because you don't want to break the seals or to take the mastic off and then get a leak inside. Make sure that you clean under your solar panel and around your aerial as well to stop dirt. Make sure that you don't get on your caravan roof, even though Bailey did have the season when they had the Alutech and showed a car getting on top of it. Once you've done a first go over the roof, you might want to open your roof lights and carefully clean around the seals, making sure that you don't rough up too much to break any of the seals and under any domes or anywhere else where dirt might have accumulated over time. For more videos to help you maintain your caravan, please click on the bottom left for a playlist of videos on maintenance of the caravan, and click on the top right how to replace the magnetic lock on your Swift caravan. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Please give our video a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.